Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix an unexpected error on Facebook. So as you can see here, go to your mobile phone and go to your Wi-Fi. As you can see, I've turned off my Wi-Fi. Now turn it on again and check if your Wi-Fi is on stable connection. Then only, as you can see, if I open Facebook, it hasn't shown me an on login unexpected error. Now you can also fix it by restarting your mobile phone and opening your Facebook again. And another way to fix it is go to your Play Store or go to your App Store and search Facebook and click on Facebook profile. As you can see, my Facebook is on the latest update, so it is working all fine. Last but not the least, if you open Facebook, then it will give you a warning saying your account is logged out. So complete those options and your Facebook will automatically log you in to your existing account and it will be working all fine. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.